What if I told you that you have the power to create your own reality? What if you are the only one who gets to choose in between living in hell or in heaven? What if there is a secret only a limited number of people know? A secret that's going to allow yourself to live a life without any worries or stress? Well, there is. But before you discover it, you must understand what is hell, how it gets created, and finally, why this notion has such a radical impact on your life. In certain religions, hell is believed to be the place you go after you die as a result of your bad actions on earth. It is believed to be the punishment of God for your failures, the ultimate justice for your wrongs. Within religious circles, the notion of hell is most commonly used to discourage people from acting foolish, by suggesting that the result of their actions might result in a long, painful afterlife. While religion has managed to stop some people from acting irrational by presenting hell that way and by making them fearful of God, the actual definition of hell is a bit more advanced than that. You see, whether you are conscious of it or not, we all have experienced hell already in this lifetime. In fact, we have even created an expression for it, as many people would say, "I am going through hell right now," whenever they face a difficult situation. We use the word hell to express anger, frustration, annoyance, or even scariness, and in my opinion, that is a more accurate description of what it stands for. So, what is hell then, and why does it matter so much to learn about this concept? Well, hell is the worst possible outcome of your choices, decisions, and creations. It is unfulfillment and the opposite of joy. Hell is not a place you go after you die, but rather something that could take place right now. You create and experience hell when you are less, when you are not acting from your highest intentions, when you're failing to recognize your truest self. Or in other words, when you are not acting in relationship with your higher self. Ultimately, hell is the consequence of your darkest thoughts. Thoughts that become actions. And so, what hell truly is the pain you suffer through wrong thinking. This is so crucial to understand because this tells you that hell is something you create on your own, but more importantly, that this is something you can consciously control. The secret to living a worry-free, peaceful, and joyful life, the secret of creating and living in heaven is learning how to monitor your thoughts, how to tame them, and how to live in unity with your highest and purest intentions. You see, the reality you find yourself living right now is created by what you think, believe, and judge it as being. If you believe the world is cruel, unhappy, boring, meaningless, or painful, then you are experiencing hell. Any negative thoughts that put you out of harmony with your higher self create hell. And on the other hand, any positive thoughts that put you in balance with your higher self create heaven. The trick here is to be able to observe your thoughts, to eliminate any negative thinking, violence, or anything else that robs you of high vibrational emotions such as love, harmony, gratitude, and joy. This can include violence on TV, low consciousness YouTube videos, conspiracy theories, music, friends, coworkers, doing things you don't like, or simply moving to a new place that inspires and reminds you of who you truly are. Learning how to observe and how to stop identifying yourself with those negative thoughts is what's going to allow you to create heaven on earth. And one of the best ways to achieve that is by practicing yoga, meditation, as well as other techniques. The main purpose of this video is to point out to you how easily your mind gets corrupted, how you create reality, how suffering, unfulfillment, disappointment, and hatred, as well as other low vibrational emotions, are all the outcome of your thinking. Now you know the secret. Now you know that anything that puts you out of unity with your higher self must be observed, tamed, and in the end, fully eliminated from your life. In a nutshell, this is how hell and heaven get created. And the most beautiful thing about it is that you have the power of choosing where you want to live. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about it, and what is the first thing you are going to do to live in heaven? Please like this video if you find value in this content, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. The real benefit of watching short videos like this is that you get to discover new interesting ideas that can literally transform your life if you are serious about this stuff. You can now support this channel on Patreon. This way, buying me more time that I can dedicate towards researching and creating better content, ultimately helping more people to get access to this information. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you on the next video.